In this video, we'll show you how to add shaders to CurseForge Modpacks. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Shaders can really change how Minecraft looks. They add more shadows and different lighting effects. We're going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you've got CurseForge installed and open. And also you need to have a mod pack installed that you want to add shaders to. This could be a third-party mod pack or one you've created yourself. Just click on the mod pack you want to work with. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Apex Hosting offers super fast performance with their high-speed servers, so your gameplay will be smooth and lag-free. Plus, they've got amazing customer support available 24/7 to help you whenever you need it. Their setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing with your friends in minutes. If you use their service, you're supporting the channel, so thank you so much. Now, if you see at the top right, below the play button, you'll see the mod loader and the version it uses. This is important because we're going to download OptiFine and we're going to need to make sure that it's the same version. So as I said, we'll need OptiFine for this to work. You can go to optifine.net. You can type it in on Google and then go to this website. So once you're here, you can click on the download tabs. Now you need to get OptiFine for the right Minecraft version. So if we go back here, my mod pack uses 120.1. So we're going to click show all version, scroll down a little bit, and this is the one. So here for the mod loader, it uses Forge 47.2.18, which is different than what I have here. So if it's the same, you don't need to change anything. But if it's different, just like me, you can click on the three dots here, and then you can go to profile options, scroll down, and you can change it to the correct one. So it's going to be version 47.2.18, this one, and then you can hit done, and your mod pack will reinstall with the correct version. And here you can click download. It'll bring you to an ad page, so you need to wait for 5 seconds, and on the top right you can click skip, and then you'll have a download button here. Just click on it. You can save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it's going to go to your downloads folder, and once you hit save, it'll start downloading. Alright, now let's download the shader packs. So you can type in CurseForge on Google, and then you're gonna go to curseforge.com, and here just click on Minecraft, and then go to browse all, and here you'll see a list of shader packs you can download and install. So for example, I want to download this complementary shaders. You can click on it, and here go to the files tab, and then you're gonna download the latest version. You can check the game version and make sure your versions is supported. So go ahead and click download, and then you can save it somewhere on your PC, and you can click save, and it'll start downloading. Alright, after you finish downloading, you'll have OptiFine and also the shaders pack. So first, let's go to the installation folder, go back to CurseForge, and then here click on the three dots on your mod pack, and then hit open folder, and you'll go to the installation folder. Now here for OptiFine, you're gonna install it into the mods folder. Let's open it up, and then just simply drag and drop it here. And for the shaders pack, you're gonna install it into shader packs folder. Let's open it up, and then we're gonna drag and drop it just like that, and everything is installed. Now you can go back to CurseForge and then hit play. Once the game is loaded, pause the game by pressing escape, and then click on options, video settings, look for a button that says shaders, click on it. You should see your shader pack listed here. Double click on it. Minecraft is going to reload and apply the shaders. Unpause the game, and you're now using shaders. The lighting, shadows, and visual effects should all look way better.